Hello and welcome to yet another video by WG Productions. And in this video, we will be adding the glow to the eyes for your logo or any other object in your After Effects. So for this, we will have first of all have these eyes. We will separate these eyes and then we will add some glow just like this, as you can see over here. And this can be a nice simple animation for your intro or outro. So let's jump right into it. So in order to separate these eyes over here, we are just going to go ahead and select this polygon lasso tool over here, or you can select any selection tool that you want, whichever is easy for you. And we are going to select our logo layer over here. And selecting this, we can just go ahead and draw the outline for this, just like this. And you can draw this neatly, but I'm just going to show you an example. And so that's why this will be created. And the next thing that you need to do is just right click and select layer through cut. So this is going to separate your eye over here, and then you can do the same thing with this one by selecting your logo layer and then just go ahead and draw this outline just like this. Select right click and select layer through cut. So once you have both of these layers, you can just go ahead and merge them together, because we have both of these will have the same effect. So you can right click and select merge layers. So you will have these eyes over here. Now you can import this file into After Effects. Just go ahead and save this file and you can import this into After Effects as a PSD. So as you can see over here, once I've imported my files in After Effects, this is a 1920 by 1080 pixel composition, and I'm going to use 7 seconds of this, but I have extended it to 15 seconds just in case. So as you can see, once I import my file, right click, import file, and you can import your specific Photoshop file from over here, then import. And once you do that, then you will double click this, and these Photoshop layers will be visible over here. So it is necessary to remove the eyes before, because we are going to be only adding the glow over here and not on the entire logo. So let's go into effects and presets. So once I type in glow, I'm going to see these effects, and I'm going to just drop this glow over here on these eyes, and you will see that nothing will happen on the first glow. And we can just go ahead and increase the radius from 10 to, let's say, 50, and the glow intensity to 3. So a little bit of something is happening over here. Let me just change the resolution. You can see that a little bit of glow has been added. So what we are going to do now is I'm just going to close this at 7 seconds. Press N on my keyboard to end the composition over here, and I'm just going to go over here, and the only thing that we need to change is the glow radius. I'm just going to select this stopwatch over here at 0 seconds, go at half a second, and then select 10 over here, then just go at 1 second. Or what we can do is select U on our keyboard and copy these the rest of the keyframes by Control C. At 1 second, I'm just going to press Control V. Then what I'm going to do is select all 4 of these, Control C, and then just go ahead at 2 seconds and duplicate this. Go to 4 seconds, duplicate this again, and you can just continue. So let's just end this composition at 6 seconds maybe. So you can see that slight faint glow has been added, but this is not enough. So what we are going to do is press Control D on this glow 2 times, because one glow just isn't enough, and this will duplicate our entire glow. So you can see that this effect has really been added, and it's looking a lot better. So you can select all of your keyframes by pressing U, and then just go ahead and right click, select keyframe assistant, and then easy ease them. So there you have it, guys, a really simple glow tutorial. And you can just go ahead and add this, experiment this with different colors by changing this color, and you can just go ahead and add this to any of your layers, but make sure that your layer is separated from the original layer. So if you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to leave a like, comment below if you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to this channel as it really helps. and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.